if you are a fan of spanners and sockets, or an engineer, or do-it-yourself projects lover, I've got something for you. Well, if you spend loads of your time in a workshop like that, if you do anything professionally connected with bolts or nuts, this bag is going to amaze you. The bold and the beautiful. This tool set comes in a quite solid, oil-resistant and chemical-resistant case. If you want to open, it has got some metallic catches. Very easy to open, very secure. That's every maker's dream, really. If you want to have a present for Christmas, anniversary, 4th of July, or my birthday, you can get it. We've been talking about socket drive and the socket turning tool, but what is it? As you can see here, we have got hex sockets, and these are 1/4 inch from 4 millimeters to 13 millimeters, and these are deep sockets, also 1/4 inch. From 10 millimeters to 32 millimeters, we have got some more advanced ones with grooves on them. They can be grooved, they can be knurled, whatever you wish. And here, our deep sockets also 1/2 inch. All right, a 1/4 inch is to be combined with this extension bar, also a 1/4 inch, and with some kind of socket. So let's try it this way. Even for me it looks stupid. So okay, once again. So I suppose socket at the end. Yep. And the question why I'm doing this? The question why I'm doing this is just when I have a screw or a bolt down there somewhere with obstruction on the way, I need to reach it, and this is the way I'm reaching it, right? Okay. Take the long socket, fit it in, and try to work over. If it's not enough, you can always take the extension bar, fit it in again, and try to move. If that's too short, you have the third option. Take the longest extension bar, try to put on the deep socket, fit, and work. This is a wobble joint for 1/2 inch drive. Hey, I'm your father. And this is the smaller one, which is easily adjusted. This part again, and if you want to have any problematic work done, let's take the socket. The socket, as far as I remember, goes here, also at the end. And you can maneuver, you can turn, you can twist, and nothing happens. It's actually quite useful and quite handy. If you sometimes wonder, what is a socket? This is this one, right? And a socket attached to this turning tool forms, actually to this driver, forms something which helps you fastening things. But nobody knows how the whole thing is called. So if you have any ideas, please let me know, because I'm not able to name it anyhow. Do you remember the rattlesnake sound I was telling you last time about? Well, I've got something similar again, but in a safer form. It's a ratchet. It's a ratchet wrench. Let's call it a ratchet, it will be easier. So, a ratchet. This is the tool that is most commonly used for turning sockets. So you just press insert. You see this hexagonal part? and you enjoy the sound. The big one, the small one works exactly the same. You've got, no, the other way around, all right. If you switch it, it will be the same way. Some wise men told me that the nicer the sound of a ratchet, the better its quality. I don't argue. Where the space is confined, like here, and the movement is quite impossible, you take the wrench, you put it on, and you maneuver. It's actually quite doable. Then, it's a lever. When you want to change the direction, you just take the lever and push it aside. One or the other. Do you see this bolt and this helix? This helix is actually killing me. So, I've got one option to put on the regular socket and try to maneuver, but with this long helix, it's not quite comfortable for me. So, the other option is going to be the deep socket. The deep socket saves my life every time I use it. Do you see the ratchet? And do you see the button? Well, it's going to be the most demanding part. Today, you have to push it. Yeah, and the release is quite quick, smooth, and fatigueless. We post and share our creative videos on YouTube. We successfully exist on Facebook, and we create our website presence here. So, make sure you subscribe. Additionally, we have a map or a location guide here. So, if you happen to misplace any of those parts, you actually can use the graphics to put them back together. So, like I've got this sliding T handling, I put it right here where it was before, keep it safe and sound, and it's done.